hindi naman to bago sa larangan ng sports. Any other league meron to. Pero for us kasi, at least we have the structured data. Meron kaming transparency sa kanila at alam namin na nasasabi namin sa kanila kung meron something fish sa mga so nung nag-usap kami, we share the same vision dito. That's one. And secondly, I think ang peg kasi natin is really for the excitement of the game, no? Nakita ko nung pumunta ako, I see the passion of the players, I see the passion of the fans. They're really into the game. And ito yung siguro yung isang parang may itutulong namin sa liga. More activities outside of the arena and inside the arena. Meron kaming mga activities dyan like yung fan experience.
Sir Andre, kailan po magsa-start ito? Kasi we soft launch it today.
No,
Partnership.
actually,
Pero kailan po ito?
we're probably going to start the first season, yung season opener, which is I think it's after Holy Week after Holy Week.
So expected po ba to na mas malaki ang opening natin this year as compared to the past?
I think we will try to elevate the game and mas malaki than previous season with the All-Stars as well and with the playoff and finals.
Sir, where can the most people or majority of the Filipino people can watch this game starting the new season?
Okay, so we start this season, I think with the partnership, no, they can watch the. Sorry.
Okay lang.
So with the I think they can watch the game every game dito sa website natin sportsplus.ph or sa Facebook natin and Facebook ng APBL as well, YouTube. We are in direct integration sa kanila and very collaborative naman sila to work with. So
Sir, live na to. Live mapapanood ng mga kababayan natin.
sa pre-season, we're still testing. So expect the full production during the opening season.
Gaano ka-hands-on si Senator Manny Pacquiao? Nakikita niyo po ba siya lagi on?
Mas engaging ako with Commissioner Emer. But yes, me and Senator Manny talk from time to time. Very busy person kasi siya. But pagka nag-usap naman is very informative and mahaba talaga.
Sige, sir. Sir, baka pwedeng invite niyo po yung mga kababayan natin to get into sports, to watch this more regularly since meron tayong, of course, they launched today.
Yes.
Very important sa inyo and magiging importante
Yes,
sa ating mga kababayan.
gusto ko imbitahin yung mga fans natin from Manila and all over the Philippines. Nationwide naman kasi yung MPBL, no? Maraming team siya. Yan yung maganda dito at maraming mga players na nabibigyan ng opportunity for makapaglaro at makapagsubok sa magiging professional. So I invite you all to watch the game sa website or sa MPBL official channel.
And mag-audition kung gusto ng mga
Mag-register,
bata.
mag-register sa sportscast.ph.
Get into sports.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir
One more
Andre.
question, Sir Andre.